Hello folks, welcome to the GDTOLOGY Channel. This is the YouTube channel. It's basically I created it basically to give some background information, some basic information about geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. Not only because it's an international language, but because through my experience, I've seen it used incorrectly, and it has some serious repercussions if it's not written correctly. Now, who am I? Well, my name is John Kim. Now, a little bit of my background. I have 20 years, approximately in the aerospace and the automotive industry. I spent the first 10 years doing spacecraft design, and then later spent a few years in the automotive industry and the past 7 to 8 years in the aircraft industry. My background is in design. I've done manufacturing and currently do manufacturing engineer. I also have some experience using CMM machines and also some of these softwares that are related to GDT used for inspection. And basically what I want to do is I want to create a channel to give not only some basic information, but also to crack some of these these bad habits, shed some light on some of these bad habits that people tend to use in GD&T. The problem with GD&T is that it's not widely used. I take that back. It's not widely taught in schools. So when these kids, they graduate in mechanical engineering or any other field of engineering, and they're basically, they start their career off in the engineering / manufacturing industry. They're really exposed to GD&T in such a way that really there's no in-depth training involved. They'll send them to some maybe 1 or 2 day course or maybe a week course, a crash course, and then basically the employer will say, all right, go ahead and design this part, or go ahead and inspect this part. You got these crazy symbols and stuff you've never seen before. So basically what I want to do is I want to shed some light. I want to answer some of these questions that people have. Not only do I have experience in the engineering field, but I also do teaching as well. I currently teach at the UCLA School of Extension, the engineering department, and also teach GD&T here in Los Angeles, California. So what I want to do with this experience is really shed some light on a lot of these questions that people have in GD&T. So subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, tell your friends, and you can visit my website at www.gdtology.com. I have free stuff that you guys can download, some STL files so that you guys can 3D print. Also, there's some practice questions, and I'll get into that on a later video. But like I said, hit the like button, tell your friends, and welcome to the GDTOLOGY channel. Thank you very much.